Hello, everybody. It's Hari Swaminathan. It's Tuesday, August 13th, 12 o'clock, 12 noon time. I wanted to just provide a quick update on our trades. The market is sort of flat to negative. It started off a little positive, but seems to not be able to hold it. But let's take a look at our trades. The first one I want to see is this EEM. And of course, we have a lot of days, but we've already held this for a long time. We have a profit of 265. I don't want to close it quite yet at this point, but I think given that we've already held it for about 4 weeks, maybe a little more than that, I think if we can hit about $500, we might want to take this off because holding a trade for more than 5 weeks means the trade rationale is just not valid anymore. So we would want to take it off. FedEx, let's take a look at FedEx. Now, the days are winding down. It's about 38 days left for this. And if you look at our spread, our shorts is at the 95 and the 115. The stock is at 108. So, it's obviously more closer to the upside, to the 115 call. So, and that's why you see a negative delta, because you can see that this 115 short call has a big negative delta. We do have a $500 profit. What is this? $420 profit on this. Now, this is a fairly small trade. So, our max profit on this is going to be about $1,200 on a margin of 5,000. Which is not bad, which is about 20-25%. And we have a profit of 425 already. And most importantly, you can see the deltas of these options are coming down. And plus, the fact that the stock is more closer to the 115 level tells us that 95.90 is not a very effective bull put anymore. What would be more effective is if we can put it at the 195 level. So basically, we want to roll this up. And by doing that, we'll make it somewhat delta neutral position. And we'll also be putting the stock, which is at 108, right in between the 100 short put and the 115 short call. So it will be right in the middle. So if you take a look at the analyze screen for FedEx, this is where we are. You can see we've got too much room on the downside and not enough on the upside. So, and we have a $425 profit on this bull put right now. So what we want to do is close that and bring it over to the 100 level. Now, once we do that, you can see, you will have a spread that goes like that, which is, and the stock is right in between both those points. And that would be a good place to be. We'll come back to being fairly delta neutral. So that's what I want to do on FedEx. As soon as you guys get this video, you can put that trade on if you have this one on. Green Mountain, again, it's at 78.5 right now. We do have, you can see the profits accumulating on the short straddle. It's about 750 almost, $700 of profit. We have a booked profit of 1,000 on GMCR. I'm looking at my journal. We have a booked profit of 1,000. And now we've been able to accumulate another 700. So basically, we're slowly inching our way back to the zero line, which is exactly what we would want to expect. I mean, what we would want to see. Now you can see that between these two, in the next 3 days, we have the potential of 2,000 plus 900 plus another 1,000. So $3,000 of premium is still left in this trade. So as long as GMCR, which looks like it's this is its stability point, at least for the time being, it looks like we should be able to come back to almost back to even on this trade, which would be really great for the trade. Google is still at 880. I don't want to adjust it. We are, our short put is at 850. Long short call is at 950. So I think we'll just leave it like that for some time. Google's been negative, but Google goes through these $10-20 moves all the time. So now I think it's sort of outlived its downside, and perhaps it'll turn around again. On Herbalife, this is going very well. You can see we're adding another $250 here. Now on Herbalife, our booked situation is a loss of 2,500, and you can see we are already at 2,200. So this is going very well. All we need to do is get another $300 and we are even on this trade, believe it or not. And after we get even, we have a lot of premium still left in this trade. So if you look at the analyzed graph for Herbalife, this is what it looks like. And so we are still in this zone. If Herbalife continues to come down, then what we might want to do is close the 65 put and open a 62.5 put. But right now we don't need to do anything. Time decay is working very well, and we'll just let it go. The next one is Priceline. I wanted to cover because we did do an adjustment today. Yeah, Priceline. So we are still left with this stupid 820 put, which is not, it's not getting executed. So it'll just be there. But basically Priceline, the way we have to look at this position is these four positions right now. And on these four positions, we have Priceline is at 954 almost. We have our short put at 940. And this is the adjustment we did today and captured $1,500 in profit. And we also brought in this bear call to 970, 990. Now, the spiders is again a trade that is not working out very well. I don't know why. We put the straddle on when it was around 171, but you can see, the straddle starts losing on time decay because we have two long options. So you can see some of that happening now. So and it's been a few days since we put this on. So the window for a straddle is about a week to 10 days. If the move doesn't happen by then your straddle is going to get into trouble, and we can see some of that happening. So what I want to do is over the next 2 or 3 days, I'm sure we'll see some move, and we'll try to get out of this position as best as we can. So that's as far as all our trades. We put a new trade on today, and on Apple, it's up slightly. Apple's going to be somewhat bullish for the next few weeks because a new version of the iPhone is being released, and that announcement usually takes Apple up a little bit. So let's see if we can ride that wave. It's a simple call option, and of course, if it doesn't work in our favor, there are plenty of things we can do to that. All right, that's it, folks. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.